So what we have here is the 3Shape move. With it, we have an opportunity to show the patient the possibilities of smile design. So what we have is we have the scan, we have the patient photographs, and we fill in the patient order form. Move on to the next stage. So we now have the photograph of the patient. We fill in the interpupillar marks on the eye, the corners of the nose, the corners of the mouth. So this gives us our center line, which will help us with the golden proportions for the setup of the actual smile design. So when we move forward, very simple to use, simple system. We've already got tooth form based on the information that we have with the intraoral scan. This gives us the opportunity to see the outline of the teeth and how they will show for the patient. You can see the difference in the wear of the tooth and the form. It's possible to move these teeth individually, so if you want to make one slightly longer or slightly smaller, you can do, just by moving that up or back down into position. And that's quite simple to use, so that explains to the patient what you're doing. Then we can infill that. So what we can see here, we have the smile design, given the little changes that we've made to fit in with the patient, so we can see, the patient can see exactly what's happening there. And then we have this very, very useful tool whereby we have a little slider, which we can say, that's how it was before, and this is what we can do. But if you move that into a central position there, it gives a very good explanation to the patient of that variation in teeth, tooth color, tooth design, and if we just shrink that down a little, then the patient can see what the outcome of the smile design will be. Very simple tool, very easy to use, and explains to the patient exactly what we're looking at. Thank you.